Alright, so you just got your reseller web hosting and you want to start offering web hosting to your customers. The first thing we need to do is create a package. Once you've created a package, you can start creating accounts. So let me show you how you do that. From the billing panel here, you can click log into cpanel or log into web hosting management. So we want to go log into web hosting management. This will open up a new window and log you into the control panel. Alright, once in there, you need to click add a package. And we need to give this package a name. So we're going to say basic web hosting. We're going to give them only 1 gig of space and we'll give them 2 gigs of transfer. The amount of FTP accounts you can set, but because this is a basic web hosting package, we'll give them 1. We'll give them 1 email address and we'll give them 2 databases and the rest looks okay. We click add and that now has created the package. The next thing we need to do is create the client account. So in order to do that, we type in accounts, or you can just start typing that, and then we click create a new account. We need to put in the domain name for the customer you're creating this account for. So let's go daveshosting.com. And when you click username, it will automatically generate a computer generated username. You can leave this or you can change this. We'll just leave it. Put in a password. And now we just need to put in the customer's email. This is the email that's going to send all of this information to the customer and instructions on how to set up their web hosting. So we'll just go dave@racknerd.com. And this is where we're going to select our package that we created earlier. So we click that. You can adjust the settings to your liking, but that's up to you. So we'll just leave everything by default. And we click create. This will go off and create it. It'll be pretty quick. Now all of this information has all been sent to the customer and they can start creating their web hosting account. And that's all there is to it. Enjoy your reseller hosting. And if you need any help, contact our support team online via chat or give us a call.